Brooke with WTI. I really like this towel by PRIS+SAND. This is their oversized microfiber swim towel. I really appreciate how easy it is to use. It's very convenient and it definitely does a great job. It flicks away the dirt and the debris and even the sand, so I can take it with me anywhere. It's really nice to keep clean, and at a fun event, I can dry off and enjoy the rest of my event. I also appreciate that it's large, it's oversized, it's 35 by 70 inches, which makes it convenient. It also is perfect for traveling if I think I might get wet, if there's just a suspicion of it. The palm tree color is so pretty with that blue and pink together. This is a very durable material, very soft, perfect for a picnic. It's really easy just to have on hand, and it comes in handy all the time. I also love that it has this hanging loop. You can button it closed, and I always find a place to hang up this towel. This towel dries so quickly, and even though it absorbs water very quickly, it dries so fast. I love the double-sided color as well. It's also perfect to roll up. It's very compact and light. I'm able to store it in its own little pouch. It has an elastic band so I can close it up. It's very convenient to bring with me, doesn't take up a lot of space. It's not bulky. So this is fun for a poolside adventure, and it's also great just to get that water wicked off. So it feels wonderful and it does a great job. It's also perfect for my hair and stays in place. But that's just my point of view.